What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we're at the shop and we're installing one of our full titanium exhausts here on our new shop E90 M3. We just wanted to bring you in here because we're working on the installation in the rear of the vacuum control box. We're going to show you this more in depth, but there is accessory power underneath the rear seat here. This car is not a cold weather package car, so the seat had to be removed to get to this area. Under here, you see there's a red wire with a white stripe. You can tap your power into this and then use your brown for a ground here, and you'll be able to have ground here and your accessory power here. This is very important because you don't want constant power, otherwise the system will drain the battery. So we're going to splice this in here, connect this, ground it to the battery, use this as our power cable, and then run everything to the trunk, mount the control box, and we'll show you how everything looks here in a moment. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we got this wired in here. We stripped back the cigarette lighter and hardwired this in. Again, our white wire with a red stripe, and we just quickly, we're gonna fuse tap this in later, but we just wanted to get some power in here. So this is powered in to this loom. We have it grounded up here to this ground point here. We're gonna run it back, hide all the wires, make it all look good, and we'll show you what it looks like in a second. All right, guys, so we just finished up the installation on this full exhaust for this E90 M3. And I want to show you just briefly, forgive the bags and the seat, this car is getting some leathery treatment at the moment, but behind here, as we showed you a little bit earlier in the video, is where you can hardwire everything now. Got some stuff in the trunk, unfortunately. I got my high kick rear spoiler, very nice. But everything now is underneath the floor. So the pump is under here, and it's all been hardwired again, as we showed you earlier, into that spot there. Behind the driver's seat here, I'm sorry, in the passenger seat right here, along here, you're looking for the red wire. And I'll put a picture of it on the screen here. So looking for that wire, hardwired in, grounded out up here, and you're hardwired in.